So students, what we are going to do today is multiplication, okay? And as we know, we had done it, we know how to do multiplication, right? But we have to do something new, right? We have to, make it more interesting, right? So just now, I am going to help you to do that, to make multiplication a very interactive, a very interesting, okay? So firstly, we are going to do it in a manner we did it last year, okay? Fine, okay? So now one of you give us a question, okay? Give me a question, because I'm right now I am trying to make you understand the new process. Firstly, we are going to do the previous one, okay? Let's see हम लोगों को कितना आता है last year का, okay? So Raghav, please give me please give me example. Give me an example. Which one to multiply? Yeah, what are the numbers that we need to multiply? Okay, you want me to multiply 43 and 12. Okay, so firstly we are multiplying it just like we did it last year. Okay, so firstly we need to multiply 3 by 2. So 3 2 3, if we multiply 3 2 times, it will be 6. And then if we multiply 4 2 times, it will be 8, right? Then we need to multiply 3 and 1 also. So here we have to put a cross or a 0. Then 3 ones are 3 and 4 ones are 4. Okay. Now we need to add both of these. So it will be 6, 8 plus 3, 11, and 4 plus 1, that is the carry. So if we add both of these, it will be 516. 516 is our answer, okay? So what's new about multiplication in this class of ours? So what we are going to do is, let's say we have to multiply 43 and 12, right? So we can break the numbers, right? We can write 12 in so many ways. We know addition as well, right? So we can write it as 1 plus 11, we can write it as 2 plus 10, है ना? बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. 3 plus 9, 5 plus 7, 6 plus 6. But for multiplication, we are searching for something that is easy breezy, so that we can easily gel with that. So which is the number that we are going to select, okay, from all these numbers? So let's say we have to make a number 12, we can add 1 and 11, we can add 9 and 3, we can add 4 and 8, 5 and 7, 10 plus 2. But what are we going to prefer? So here I am going to prefer 10 plus 2. As we know, we have multiplied the numbers by 10 also. How do we multiply the numbers? If there is 10, 100 or 1000, we just multiply it with the number on the tens or the 100 place and then put the number of zeros over there, okay? है ना, जब भी zero होता है तो easy हो जाता है हमारे लिए multiply करना. That's why from all the options, I will select that number that has 0 in it, because that 0 will make my multiplication a little smoother, okay? A little smooth, I'm so sorry. So let's say we are dividing here. Firstly, I'm going to do it by, separating 12 into 10 and 2, okay? So 43 multiply 12 hai. I will write 12 as, okay, let's say I will write 12 as 10 plus 2. Okay. Now what I am going to do first, let's say, देखो, 43 into 12, I have written it in the same manner as I have written this, okay? But what we need to understand is, firstly, in the same manner that you did here, multiply 43 and 2. Okay, because देखो 43 into 12 था, we have break 12 into 2 parts. Now it is 10 and 2. So multiply first 43 by 2. Okay, so when we multiply 43 by 2, it will be 86, right? And then multiply 43 by 10, it will be 430. Okay, 430. Now do you guys get to know that why do we put here cross or 0? Because it's the magic of that 0 over there that we break that. Okay, we have break 12 into 2 parts, 10 and 2, and 10 has a 0 in it. That's why we put 0 over here. Now add both these numbers. We are going to get 516. Okay. So I am presenting to you one more example just like that, and then you are going to do these questions. Okay. I am calling your name. I am going to call your names on the board, and then that child will help us to do that multiplication problem with the same method that we did right now. Fine. So let's say I am taking a number. Tanushri, can you help me finding the numbers? 15, very nice. And 22, very good. So, Sonam, can you tell me which number do you want me to break? 22, you want that number. Okay, fine. So let's say I am breaking 22 into two parts. Okay, the first one being 20 and the second one being 2. Okay, now multiply 15 by 2. What will you get? You will get 30, right? And then when we multiply 15 by 20, we will get, what do we get? Yeah, Rajan, please tell me. 300. So, I have written 300 over here also. Now, when we add both these numbers, we will get 330. Is that clear to you guys? Fine. So, I am writing here some more examples, and then we will, we are going to do that, and then we will find out that wherever you will get problem, that's no worries. Please ask me and I will try to solve that. Okay. So let's say I am giving you one example of 12 into 23. There is one more example. 32 multiply 16. There's one more. 51 multiply 13. Okay, so we have to multiply these three numbers with the same method that I presented in front of you right now. Okay, fine.